Hi, my name is Kozinets, co-founder and chief customer officer at Facility Grid. Our software is used by many of the largest commissioning providers, construction companies, and building owners. We help track, verify, and manage building equipment and systems throughout the construction lifecycle. We're really excited to be attending, exhibiting, and sponsoring this year's CxEnergy conference in April in San Diego. With several great sessions and speakers, the event should be an excellent opportunity to learn and connect with peers. I'll be there presenting a case study with Rachel Stockey of the University of Rochester. We will be sharing how the building owner played a key role in transforming the emergency department and patient care tower, redefining the relationship between the owner and the commissioning provider. Join us to hear more. Hope to see you at this premier conference. Register at www.CxEnergy.com.